Good Memorial Day. God bless our troops. I went to Chili's. I really love what Chili's is doing with their burgers. I haven't tried the Big QP yet, but I love their Smasher Burger, man. Nashville Crisps Combo. I've never tried it. I wanted to get something different. Something a little spicy. Some of the videos that I've watched, they're not supposed to be that spicy. I'm okay with that. But I didn't want a burger. Oh, I can smell it. Oh, it smells. Now this was like over $17. The 3 for me, where you can get the Smasher Burger, it's like $10.99. You get like a side and a soda. This is very heavy. I should weigh it. We should weigh it. Let's weigh it. Whoa. 1 pound, 13 ounces. Right? Almost 2 pounds. 1 pound, 13 ounces. Here we go. Ready? Oh, whoa. I think I'm supposed to have 5 pieces of chicken. They're supposed to be crispy, Nashville hot. And I've got macaroni. That's very heavy. This is very heavy. That's a lot of macaroni. That's, oh. Thing is, everything tastes better when you plate it up. I want to plate, but there's all this sauce on the bottom. What do I do? Lovely grease on the bottom of the tray. What do you do with that? How do I even get this off the tray? I mean, what? Take a look at this. Ooh. Macaroni and cheddar sauce. Ooh, that's going in the bowl. Fine. That's a lot of food, I have to say. But it is $17, so I believe this is ranch dipping sauce. I thought I got 2 dipping sauces. I haven't started eating, and it's very messy. So we're going to leave the fries here, because they're going to get some of that. The fries are going to get some of that oil on them. This will go in here. It really smells good. So we're going to try the macaroni first. That's not bad. That's a lot of macaroni. Let's try it. Oh, it's really overcooked. Flavor's delicious. But the pasta is really soft. But it's delicious. Take a sip of soda. Okay. Boy, I really wanted chicken today. I've had a lot of burgers recently. I'm going to be making a burger later in the week. I want to roll this around in the red sauce. Let's try this one. This is a really weird looking one. I should try it without the sauce first. Without the dipping sauce. Wow. Okay. It is spicy. I'm not getting a dangerous, scary heat, though. It is salty. And tender. Let's try this. Very crunchy. Very messy. Almost decadent. Wow. I do need ketchup for my fry. The spice is getting in the back of my throat. That's not a bad thing. Ketchup on my fries. Oh, okay. I really wanted something different, and I got something different. We've got to take another bite here. Let's dip it in the ranch. It's very tender. Very soft. It's really good. Holy moly. Ah! Wow. I'm just going to say, I think this is worth $17. That's a lot of food. It's a lot of food. Downfall of America. Well, let's take a close look at that chicken. I think that's some kind of hot oil. They're a little funky looking. Sometimes you just need something different. This is different. Take another bite. Oh. Mmm. It is very salty. If you're watching your sodium, and the spice or the whatever it is can get in the back of your throat, not in a I'm burning sort of way, but in a choking sort of way. Like I'm choking. Mmm. Okay. Oh. So there are 5 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go for a fry. Sip. Wow. It is very decadent. It's the only word I can come up with. Let's see what this tastes like right here. It's a shame this hot oil isn't in a cup. I wonder if I took everything out, I could pour this hot oil into something. Let's put the chicken aside. And that way we get to plate up. Everything tastes better. Plate it up. Fries. Quick. It's like a waste of hot oil, whatever that is. Oh, our little cup. And we are going to see if we can drain this. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh. Use my little brush. Let's see if we can get more on there. Oh boy, there's so much. All right, chicken back on the plate. Maybe we'll take a picture of that. Fries. Oh, can put that on the plate now. I apologize for the air conditioner. I'll try to edit a lot of the sound out, but it's really hot down here. Yeah, baby. Food porn. You know it's spicy when your nose is leaking. Now we can brush some of this on the chicken. Look at that. You know, I hope I don't have some kind of allergic reaction to this. Let's try another piece of chicken. I can taste the oil. It almost makes you think you've got some kind of butter going on. Well, they weren't kidding about the crispers. They're totally crispy. Fries are getting cold quick. I really love the cheese. They're just really soft. Anyone having a barbecue? I'm really enjoying this. Even though it was over $17, I'm really enjoying this. Let's take a big piece out of the... Let's try the big piece. Ooh. Oh. Boy. I hope I don't have trouble with all the sodium. That's a lot of food. I really can't complain. Ooh. Chili's Nashville Crispers combo. Thanks for joining me this Memorial Day. I'm really glad I went out. Oh, that is yummy. Messy. All the oil I brushed on is now on the plate. You know what I'm gonna say? Hey, 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 hey. What am I gonna say? Thanks for watching. Mm.